Now see the second question. Now you have to draw an angle of 115 degree. Students, can you tell me which type of angle is it? Yes, it is an obtuse angle because it is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So obtuse angle how to draw? So 115 degree angle, first let me draw. So here this will be the obtuse angle. First step is draw one ray. This arrow, I will measure this angle from this side. So suppose this is the ray VC. Now take protractor, keep this middle line of protractor on point P and measure an angle. The zero line should be touched to this ray VC, and now start from 0. Now we want 115 degrees. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, here 90, 100, 110. Now where is the 115? It will come in between 110 and 120. So this in middle of this one vertical line is there, little big. So there you have to mark 115. Each line of this protractor shows 1 degree. So after 110, 5 lines means 115 degree. Then remove your protractor, take scale and then join the point B and that mark. And not up till only that mark, but you can extend that line also. Okay, that ray. And then give the name here, suppose A. So this is our angle ABC, 115 degree. Now this angle you have to bisect. You have to bisect this angle. So now again same steps. Though it is obtuse angle. Till now I had shown you acute angles only. Now this is about the obtuse angle. So same construction, same steps only. See here. Keep the compass point on point V. Take approximate distance and draw an arc which will intersect ray VA as well as ray VC. Ray VA as well as ray VC. See, once you start, just one time only you have to draw. From here to take approximate distance, draw an arc which intersect ray VA at point P and ray VC suppose at point Q. Then again take compass, keep compass point on point Q or point P. Any point you can choose first. It doesn't like that, okay? So if I take first point Q, take approximate distance, means more than half distance among this PQ, this arc, this middle side is there. So more than half than distance. So suppose till I take here distance and draw one arc inside the angle. Draw one arc inside the angle, and then it should not come 2 times, okay? So see here, this arc must come properly. So here I am drawing again this arc. Then don't change the distance. With the same distance, draw another arc which will intersect here to the first arc. Now sometimes what will happen, students? Suppose you have drawn this arc here somewhere, and this arc is coming to this side, and you will say it's not intersecting. No problem. So what you have to do? You have to extend this first arc. See, automatically these 2 arcs will intersect. At some point, they will surely intersect, okay? So here is the point of intersection. We got, let us give the point name, suppose M. Then draw a ray BM. This point of intersection and this vertex you have to join. Okay. So there are arrows. So this is all about how to bisect an angle of 115 degree. Only measurement was given. First we have drawn 150 degree angle and then we bisect it by using the same step as I have told you. Okay. Is it clear to you now? Let's see the, okay. Now let's see the one more question, that is of 80 degree. So here 80-degree angle, we will see how to draw. Again same construction, same steps. This is the third question, that we said 3. So again draw one ray. Draw one ray. Then again it is which type of angle? Acute angle, which is less than 90 degree. So same steps again. Now you know how to draw an angle. So here I kept this middle point on vertex, and then 80 degree will come here. Then join this point and this mark. Okay, then again give some names to that angle. Name to that angle, suppose X, Y, Z. Okay, take compass point. Take compass. Keep compass point on vertex Y. Vertex means middle point. Vertex means middle point of an angle. And then from where two rays start, YZ and YX. So there only first you have to keep an compass point, and then draw. Take approximate distance. Draw one arc which will intersect to the both rays. Which will intersect to the both rays at point, suppose A, and at point here V. It intersect at ray YX at point A and ray YZ at point V. Now again keep compass point on point V. Take approximate distance more than half. Draw one arc inside an angle. Again with the same distance. This is very important. This distance should not be changed. Again with the same distance from point A, draw another arc which will intersect to the first arc. And then join that point of intersection and this point Y. And this point Y. This will be the angle bisector. Suppose C. Here you can give any point.